Hi students, this is your Shiva and you are watching Shiva's Max Library. In this video, we will continue with the fifth problem of exercise set 2.2. In this fifth question, Ruby has 3 times as many 2 rupee coins as she has a 5 rupee coins. If she has a total of rupees 88, how many coins does she have in each of the type? So first of all, they are discussing about two important two category of coins. One is a set of 2 rupee coin, another one is a set of 5 rupee coin. Here the clue is about Ruby has three times as many as 2 rupee coin as she has the 5 rupee coin. So they are saying that the number of 2 rupee coin is given in terms of 5 rupee coin. Okay, so what we are going to do in this problem is, let us assume that let x be the number of 5 rupee coin, number of 5 rupee coins, because in this question they have clearly mentioned that she is having 3 times as many 2 rupee coin as she has the 5 rupee coin. So the number of 5 rupee coin is x. So it is clear that the number of 2 rupee coin, the number of 2 rupee coins must be 3 times of x. So this is what given in the question, 3 times as many as 2 rupee coin. So the number of 2 rupee coin is equal to 3 times of x. So these are the two information which are given in the first line. Then in the next line, if she has the total of rupees 88, then find number of coins from the each type. Here one thing is important, because to find the total, since the total is given as 88, we have to calculate accordingly. Suppose if I am having only this 5 rupee coin category and this is 2 rupee coin category. Suppose if I have 2 5 rupee coin and 3 2 rupee coin, first of all I have to multiple the values to get the final amount. Since I have 2 5 rupee coins, so 2 5s are it is 10, and since I have 3 2 rupee coin, 2 3s are it is 6. So 10 plus 6, which is equals to 16. So the sum is 16. Suppose if I am having 2 5 rupee coin and 3 2 rupee coin, I'll have a sum of 16 rupees. So similarly here we are saying that the number of 5 rupee coin is x, so we need to multiple this x with 5 rupee 5. And similarly the number of 2 rupee coin is 3x, so we have to multiple this with 2, so that we can get the total of rupees 88. So from the given information, it is clear that from the given information it is 5 times of the number of 5 rupee coin is x plus 2 times of the number of 2 rupee coin is 3x, which is equals to 88. So 5 times of x it is 5x and 2 times of 3x is 6x, which is equals to 88. So 5x plus 6x is 11x, which is equals to 88, and x is equals to 88 upon 11, which is 8. So here you got the value of x as 8, which means the total number of 5 rupee coin that you are having is 8. So therefore number of 5 rupee 5 rupee coins is equals to 8. Similarly, to find the number of 2 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin, you know the value. Number of 2 rupee coin is 3 into x, right? And the value of x is here 8. So 3 into 8, it is 24. So the number of 2 rupee coins is 24 here. Okay, so in the sixth problem, a farmer cuts a 300 feet fence into two pieces of different sizes. The longer piece is 4 times as long as the shorter size. So first clue is, farmer cuts a fence of 300 feet into two different sizes. So there is a fence whose length is 300, and he is going to cut it into two pieces. One is shorter piece and another one is a longer piece. Okay, so this one is shorter and this one is longer. The next clue is, the longer piece is 4 times as long as the shorter piece. So they are trying to give the value of longer piece in terms of shorter piece. So we have to consider our x value as the shorter piece, so that we can able to convey the value of longer piece in terms of shorter piece. So x denotes the length of the shorter piece, length of shorter piece. Okay, so from the clue it is clear that length of longer piece must be 4 times of x. because the shorter value of shorter piece must be of x length, so the longer piece must be 4 times of the shorter piece, which is nothing but 4x. And one more thing, the shorter piece is denoted as x and the longer piece is denoted as 4x, and if we add this shorter piece and longer piece, you will get the entire fence whose length is 300 feet. So from the given information here, okay, shorter plus longer together we will get 300. Shorter piece is given as x and longer piece is given as 4x, which is equals to 300, and it is 5x is equals to 300. This implies x is equals to 300 by 5, which is nothing but 60. So we got the value of shorter piece length as 60 feet. So shorter piece is of the length 60 feet. Okay, so similarly longer piece is of the length which is 4 times of 60. 4 times of 60 is 240, so it is 240 feet. Okay, the last question is, if the length of the rectangle is 3 more than twice its width and its perimeter is 24, so they are trying to give two clue in a single line. First clue is, there is a rectangle. Okay, there is a rectangle, length is L and width is W. So say they are saying that length of the rectangle is 3 more than twice its width, so they are trying to give the value of length in terms of width. So what we will do is, let x be the width of the rectangle, width of the rectangle. Okay, so length must be, so look at the clue here, 3 more than twice the width. So 3 more than twice the width. Width is x here. So length is equal to 3 more than twice the width. So width value is x and length value is 3 plus 2x. And the next clue is perimeter is 24 centimeter. Perimeter is equal to 24 centimeter. We know the formula of perimeter, that is nothing but 2 times of length plus width, so which is equals to 24, and you know the length value and width value. So 2 times of length value is nothing but 3 plus 2x, and width value is taken here as x, which is equals to 24. So which means 2 times of 3 plus, here it is 2x plus x, again it is 3x, which is equals to 24. So if you multiple, it will be 3 2s are 6, and 3x into 2, it is 6x, which is equals to 24, and will bring this 6 value to the right hand side. So 6x is equals to 24 minus 6, which is 18. So x is equal to 18 by 6, which is nothing but 3. So the value of x is 3, which is nothing but the width of the rectangle. So width is equals to 3 centimeters. So to get the length, we'll substitute the value in the corresponding place of x. So it is 3 plus 2 times of x, which is nothing but 3. So 3 plus 3 2s are 6, which is equals to 9 centimeters. So we got the value of length as 9 centimeter and width as 3 centimeter.